See, the way I prepared myself, I'll never suggest anyone to start like this, because in my time, I had no idea about this preparation strategies and all. So, and that was the major reason why I like missed UPSC twice, because I didn't know that how to start or which books I should refer to. And most of the times, I used to study a lot, but I used to like do researches on certain topics, which is totally unnecessary for this type of examination, because the syllabus is very vast. You cannot cover everything at a go. So you have to pick things very in a very wise manner, that which things you should study, which things you should not study. That is the major part of this preparation, because we keep studying everything. Like I remember when I started preparing for UPSC especially, I knew that I have to cover the Hindu newspaper every day. So I used to give around 3 to 4 hours to that newspaper only, and I had no idea that which articles I should focus more on. So in that case, what happened, that I wasted like much time on that, which was totally unnecessary. So, for the beginners, now with whatever experience I have, I'd like to say that before even thinking about appearing for this exam, first of all, you have to uh, you have to just make your mind whether you are ready for it or not. Because first of all, you have to make yourself ready that in this journey you have to face so many hurdles. So you have to decide whether you are ready for it or not. Only when you know all the pros and cons of this examination, then only you should start it at the very first instance. And when you start it, you have to know that there is no way to go back, because you are already in the mid of the journey. Now you have already invested 1 or 2 years in this journey. So now if you think that okay, chalo abhi ye nahi karte, abhi aur kuch karte hain, aisa nahi hota. You have to, if you start it, you have to complete it. Okay, so I would say that for the beginners, uh, first of all, you have to understand what is your level, because some students are very studious during their school days. They have studied a lot. Their arts subjects are also very strong, as well as the science subjects. So for them, the strategy will be different. And those students were not that much studious, and they had very average scoring in throughout their school life. So they have to focus more on each and every subject. Based on that, the preparation should be started.